What's going on, everybody? Thanks for coming back. Today we're going to be shooting some photos of Jamie's STI for the Subaru Drive Performance magazine. We're going to do some cool rollers. Now normally what we would do, we would get the rig out, we would rig the car up, and we would do some really high quality, super sharp photos. However, a couple weeks ago, if you follow my Instagram, you saw me post some of my buddies' Type R, lots of different angles. We had lots of really good rolling shots. And then Blake, who you've seen a few times before, posted the behind the scenes photo, and I'm on the electric skateboard. Okay, so I'm shooting today with the Sony A7R4. Our settings are anywhere between a 20th of a second to a 30th of a second. Aperture obviously all the way closed. This is the Sigma 20mm 1.4R. Now, this isn't the best lens for that sort of photography, but it's the sharpest lens I have in my quiver, so we're gonna see if we can make it work. Doing this, I'm almost never looking at the camera. I have my settings exactly where I want them, so I'm almost constantly checking both directions for any sort of oncoming traffic. If I look at the camera for too long, or if I look for traffic for too long, we might get too close to the car, we might have a collision. So if this is something you're gonna try at home, you need to be very, very confident on a skateboard, and you need to be very aware of your surroundings. Thing about shooting here is we do have a few trees that have some nice fall colors to them. We don't have a lot of that here in Lubbock, so unfortunately we just got to make do with what we have. So we're at the second location now. It's really cool tunnel, plus there's a bike lane, which is gonna make this legal and a lot safer. Wraps all of that up. That second spot is now probably my favorite location to do stuff like this. It's really safe, there's not a whole bunch of traffic, and it just has some really cool leading lines that just really lend itself to long expo car photography. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate you watching my non-conventional way to getting some of these rolling shots, and we'll see you next time.